Casa Della Lavanda, Crochet for Beginners. Lesson 1. Chain Stitch. Chain stitch is the basis of all crochet. You will use it in every project you do. You should have your crochet hook and some yarn. Make a loop or slip knot and put it onto your hook. Pull it tight, but not too tight. It needs to be able to move on your hook. Pull your yarn over your hook and pull it through the loop. It's a good idea when you're learning to hold your yarn out of the way as we have done here, so that you can see what you're doing. When you have practiced, you'll most probably find that you can just hook your yarn and pull it through the loop. Each time you pull the yarn through the loop, you are making a chain stitch. You should make as many chain stitches as your project needs. Now you are ready to learn some more stitches, so please check out our other crochet video tutorials.